target light, let's go. Ground and a little wire clip. With the wire clip, push that out of the way. I might use some of that wire length, so I'll take it off. Right, now this one has 1, 2 and 3 screws, of course. Oh, that's tight for the ears. One. This is amazing. Two. And that's us. We're in. We're in, baby. And target light assembly. Now, there's your little popper switch. Little zippy switch, and then once you push that in, it frees, activates this plate, which releases that screw. So what do we want to do? I need it in here. Can you see what I'm pointing at? I need it in here because there's another little channel similar to the last one that we just did. Pressure on any wires. That's not what you want. There we go, there's a purchase. Push that off. Oh, it's not even that fucking useful. No, that's good. That's fine. Now, the way this is, these wires insert and sort of come up with the light. So just need to push them in line. Now bringing this up, and then see I've got some grease in there again. That's the bigger channel for this more powerful spring to get filled with the stuff. You can pull that right through. If you want to relook at the target light, that's 3 screws to get into that as well. I've been in. It's a wired bulb. That's what you see there. going to need flipped. Right, that doesn't seem too bad. Just a wee smidgen of grease. That's that dealt with. Right, time to get this bad boy channel filled up. Because there was a little bit of residue up here, I just gave it some up there. It could have been, of course, from push-up, but whatever. I suppose it'll last forever. Right, so easy enough. Wires back through. A little gentle persuasion. Doesn't do you any harm. And then of course you want your target light facing the right way. So that was this way in relation to the button. Right, just make sure everything seems to be seated okay in there, which it does. Get the wires back up into the channel so that they can't get cut by continued action off the bottom here. See how you can get wires if you don't have enough in this wee channel. Right, anyway, to get that more workable, pop that wee screw back in. I could get some more in there. threads by hand, always, where possible. Snug that up, it should lock now. Should be able to test in theory a nice slow release. There we go. Beautiful. Have a wee bit of early residue to clean up there, but that's no problem. Happy with that. That's pretty much it. Screws back on in reverse.